In this video, I'm going to show you 3 outreach tools for bulk email export. Find the bot links in the video description. View the full example files from this video on the bot pages. Click the like button to support the channel. And if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. Tool 1. Phone, email, and contact scraper. This bot extracts emails, phones, and other contacts from a list of websites. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster, create a free Botster account and log in. Open the phone, email, and contact scrapers page. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Paste one or more websites. Tick Email. Select notification type. Email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted emails to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. The bot has exported the emails of our target company. Tool 2. Company Email Finder. This bot finds corporate emails ending with the same domain name. Paste one or more domains. Launch the bot into action. Done. The bot has exported a list of corporate emails ending with the same domain. Tool 3. Email Validator. This tool checks if the email addresses you found are valid. Paste a list of emails. Launch the bot into action. Done. The bot has found out that one of the emails is invalid. Sign up on Botster and use these smart cold email outreach tools. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.